morning everyone, welcome to Creations by Karen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy DIY for Mother's Day, for Father's Day, for whatever day. We're going to start with this little mason jar that I got at my local dollar store, and it came in a set of 3 I think, and there was only, I think there was 3 in it, and it was $4, so pretty good cost-effective way to make it a craft. Anyways, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with this. So first thing I did is I opened this up, and it's got the 2-part lid, don't worry about that. And then I got some bird seed, and I got this from my dollar store. It wasn't expensive. I think it was maybe $3, I don't remember. But you're going to pour this inside this little jar, and I could tell you that I think I got 4 out of one of these bags, so that's pretty good. This is wild finch, I guess. I live in Canada, so there's a lot of different birds, and just replace this on the top. Okay, so you got your bird seed in your little container. And what I thought I'd do is I just take some black paint, acrylic paint, make sure you give it a shake. And I'm just going to paint the top of this. And this is a gloss paint that I got, and I did put 2 coats on it. So a little bit works. Take your paintbrush, just paint around. And I would say make it a really thick coat, so maybe you don't even have to do 2 coats. And this is a craft that I think you can do with your kids or your grandkids. That would be fun. Just make sure you come around and take your time when you do this so you can get all the areas covered. Just keep coming around. And then I did the top, just like that. And then I let this dry, and if it needs another coat, go ahead and put another coat on. Just going to put this away so I don't have to look at it. All right, so that's what you got, is a lid and a jar with seeds in it. Step 1. Step 2 is I got these cute little bird things. So I got this bird house, or the bird's nest, at Michael's. I don't remember what it was. I think maybe $3.99 or $4.99 Canadian. And I did use a coupon. And then I got this pack of, I think there was 6 cardinals in it. And this was a little bit more expensive. I think it was $14.99 maybe, but once again, use your coupon. And all you want to do is take this off, and I don't need these feet, so I'm taking them off too. And they're in there pretty quick. Hard. There we go, we got this. Just take this container off the tag. Easier said than done sometimes. All right, there we go. And so I'm going to put this cardinal in this nest, but I thought I needed something in the nest. So forgot to turn my glue gun on, which is not the smartest job. But let me see. I've got a little bit of greenery, moss stuff. And I just want to put a little bit in the base of this bird's nest here. Sorry. And this gets all over, so certainly if you're doing this with grandkids or your kids, make sure you have something protecting your surface that you're working on. Just gotta wait for my glue gun to heat up. Sorry about that. We're also going to need some ribbon. And I'm going to cut a piece of about, oh, this long, just to make a bow. Here we go. All right, so take your glue gun and just put a generous amount of glue on the inside of this. Just take this moss stuff and just place it inside the bird's nest. And as a hindsight, I would say you could use spray Mod Podge and do this, but I didn't have any, so just using hot glue. Right, then make a little divot so your cardinal can sort of sit in the middle of that. How cute is that? I think it's cute. Maybe I'll turn them this way. All right, then you just take your hot glue again and put a generous amount on the base of the cardinal and place it down and hold this pretty securely. So hold it nice and tight, and you have the cardinal sitting in the bird's nest. I think it's cute. All right, then take, just picked up one that was already done. Just take your jar, and now this has already been dried and Mod Podged. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of Mod Podge on there. And what I do is take a bit of E6000 because I want this to sit on top of here. So I just put a generous amount of E6000 on here, like that. And then take some hot glue and just put some hot glue on here. You don't need a whole lot. You just want something on here just to secure it in place. So place your little bird's nest on top. And you want to let this sit for about 24 hours. So I'm going to not do that. I'm not going to finish it right now. I'm going to get another one that I finished. So how cute is he? And here's one that I already did and put the bow on it. Right? So just take your bow, your ribbon, come around the base. So you're going to come around the base, and you kind of want the bow to be right in the front. So do it this way. So this is what it looks like. You don't have to put a bow on it. I just did because I thought it looked cute. But this is our finished project. Now, don't you think that'd be a great little gift for your kids to give to Grandma and Grandpa for Father's Day or Mother's Day or whatever, just for a visit? What do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you think this is cute. All right, that's it. That's your easy DIY, like 5-minute craft you can make with your kids or your grandkids. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe if you like this. I do tutorials quite often to show you easy DIY crafts. So if you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.